Imagine this for a second. You're a small business owner in the United States. You wake up early, check emails, reply to customers, handle invoices, post on social media, think about marketing, worry about sales, and somehow you're also supposed to grow the business. It feels like there are never enough hours in the day. Right now, imagine if you had a smart assistant working for you 24/7, never getting tired, never complaining, and helping you save time, money, and stress. That's exactly what AI tools are doing for small businesses right now. Stay. And if you stay with me in this video, I promise you'll see how AI can completely change the way you run your business, even if you're not tech-savvy at all. Before we go any further, if you're someone who wants to grow a business, start a side hustle, or simply work smarter instead of harder, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. This is AI Side Hustle, and here we break down real, practical ways to use AI to make money and build freedom. Especially for beginners and small business owners, subscribing now means you one team is tools and ideas that could literally save you hours every week. Now, let's talk honestly. For a long time, AI felt like something only big companies could afford. Huge budgets, complex systems, expensive developers. Small businesses were left behind. But that has completely changed. Today, AI tools are affordable, easy to use, and designed specifically for people who don't have a technical background. In fact, many small businesses in the US are already using AI without even realizing it, and the ones who aren't are slowly falling behind. Think about customer support. Customers expect fast replies. They don't want to wait hours or days for an answer. But as a small business, you can't sit and reply to messages all day. This is where AI chat tools come in. Tools like AI chatbots can answer common questions instantly, book appointments, track orders, and even handle complaints in a polite, professional way. The best part is, they work day and night. While you're sleeping, your business is still responding to customers. That alone can increase trust and sales without hiring extra staff. Now let's talk about content, because content is everywhere. Websites, emails, social media posts, ads, product descriptions. Writing all of this takes time and energy. This is where AI writing tools become a game changer. Small businesses across the US are using AI to write Instagram captions, Facebook ads, email newsletters, and even blog posts in minutes instead of hours. 2. Don't need to be a professional writer. You just tell the AI what your business is about, who your customer is, and what you want to say. And it helps you create clean, simple, and engaging content. And here's something most people don't realize. AI doesn't replace your voice, it enhances it. You still control the message. You still decide what feels right for your brand. AI just removes the blank page stress and gives you a starting point. That's powerful, especially for small business owners who already have a million things to do. Now imagine you're running a local service business. Maybe you're a salon owner, a fitness coach, a real estate agent, or a cleaning service. Managing appointments can be a nightmare. Double bookings, missed calls, no-shows. AI scheduling tools can automatically book appointments, send reminders, and even reschedule if needed. Customers love the convenience, and you save time without hiring a receptionist. P.S. Let's talk about money, because at the end of the day, that's what keeps a business alive. Pricing, expenses, profit margins, forecasting. AI tools can analyze your sales data and tell you what's working and what's not. They can show you which products are selling the most, which services are underperforming, and even suggest better pricing strategies. For a small business, having this kind of insight used to require a full finance team. Now it's available at a fraction of the cost. Marketing is another area where small businesses struggle. Running ads can feel like throwing money into the air and hoping something sticks. AI-powered marketing tools can analyze customer behavior, test different ad copies, and optimize campaigns automatically. This means you spend less money while getting better results. Imagine knowing exactly what your audience wants to see, when they want to see it, and how they want it presented. Now let me tell you a short story. There's a small online store owner in Texas selling handmade products. She was overwhelmed with emails, social media, and order management. After she started using a few AI tools, she automated customer replies, scheduled social media posts for an entire month in one sitting, and used AI to write product descriptions that actually converted better. Her sales increased, but more importantly, her stress decreased. She finally had time to think about growing instead of just surviving. That's the real power of AI. It's not just about making more money. It's about buying back your time. Time to spend with family. Time to learn new skills. Time to plan your next move. If you're enjoying this so far and finding value, just drop a quick like on the video. It really helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And it motivates me to bring you even better content here on AI Side Hustle. Now, let's talk about customer understanding. Knowing your customer is everything. AI tools can analyze reviews, feedback, emails, and social media comments to understand what customers love and what they complain about. This helps you improve your product or service based on real data, not guesses. Small businesses that listen to their customers always win in the long run. Email marketing is another goldmine. Many small businesses either ignore email or do it wrong. AI email tools can help you write better subject lines, personalize emails, and send them at the best time. This means higher open rates and more conversions without sounding spammy. And again, you don't need to be an expert. The AI guides you step by step. Now let's address a common fear. A lot of people worry that AI will make businesses feel cold or robotic. But the truth is, when used correctly, AI actually helps you be more human. It handles repetitive tasks, so you can focus on real conversations, real relationships, and real creativity. Your customers don't feel ignored. They feel supported. Another powerful area is visuals. Designing graphics, ads, and thumbnails used to require design skills or expensive freelancers. AI design tools now allow small businesses to create professional-looking visuals in minutes. Slogos, social media posts, flyers, even short video clips. This levels the playing field and helps small brands compete with big companies. And let's not forget video. Video is dominating every platform. AI tools can help you write video scripts, generate captions, and even turn text into voiceovers, if your Commercial AI gives you options. This is especially useful for faceless channels and businesses that want to stay behind the scenes but still show up consistently. Now here's something important. You don't need to use every AI tool out there. That's overwhelming. The smart approach is to identify your biggest pain point. Is it time? Is it marketing? Is it customer support? Start there. Add one tool. Get comfortable. Then expand. AI is a tool, not a magic button. When used intentionally, it becomes incredibly powerful. Small businesses in the US are at a turning point. The ones who adopt AI now will have a massive advantage over the next few years. The ones who ignore it may struggle to keep up. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being open to change. As we move toward the end of this video, I want you to think about one task in your business that drains your energy. Just one. Now imagine handing that task over to an AI tool and never worrying about it again. That's the future we're already living in. If this video helped you see AI in a new way, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of business you run or which task you'd love to automate first. Your comments not only help the channel, they also help others learn from your experience. And if you know someone who's running a small business and feeling overwhelmed, share this video with them. It could genuinely change the way they work and think about their business. Thank you for spending your time with me today on AI Side Hustle. Remember, smart tools create smart businesses, and smart businesses create freedom. I'll see you in the next video.